So this is a black perforated film. It is designed to prevent the reflection of sun off of the glass, and it's gonna look like a screen. So when we apply it, it's gonna look similar to this screen, and it's gonna prevent artificial turf from melting. They've had a little bit of melting, but not so much. Trying to see where this had occurred. They were showing me a little earlier, but it did damage the turf, and they just want to stop it from happening or getting any worse. So that's what we're going to do for them. We're going to install all these panels here and prevent their artificial turf from melting. What do you say, Derek?
Let's do it.
All right, let's do this. And this is the completion. We got this whole back side of the house done. So I'll have you take a look at this. That's the film. And this is what it looks like. Again, this film prevents artificial turf from melting. What do you think? How does it look?
It looks awesome. I'm so excited. And I'm excited for my grass to come.
All right, we're all set.